My name is Adaeze Osakwe. I'm a fourth-year PhD candidate at the University of Georgia. I'm getting my degree in chemistry, and I currently work at the New Materials Institute. We at NMI constantly try to create novel materials and improve what already exists. I've also had the chance to learn numerous technical skills in polymer and material science, from characterization instruments to analytics to polymerization. I had mentored a couple of undergraduate students and incoming first years. These various experiences have helped me grow both academically and professionally. This constant need to outdo your past self is being translated outside of my life as a grad student, like even onto my personal life. It truly brings out the best in me.